Starting off today, going across the bridge into Illinois, the Mississippi River. It's a gray day. It's supposed to rain, but it's not raining right now, so fingers crossed it'll stay that way, but it is looking pretty windy. It's a warm breeze, but nonetheless windy, so we'll see how far we get today, and exciting to start a new state, done with Iowa. Here we go. Well, the bridge got cut off. Date, no bridge. So I don't know if I'm supposed to wait for this or find a new way. Don't really know. That was pretty cool. The whole bridge like spins and lets the boats through and then spins back around for the cars and pedestrians to go through. Officially in Illinois. It's raining though. Off to it. Well, that's not good. Gotta go around there, I guess. For the past few days since I changed my that spoke in Grinnell, I've been feeling like I've just been like grinding. Like it's been so hard to pedal, and I thought it was because my tire was a little flat, but I filled it up. I just couldn't figure it out. That guy who put my tire back on, he put it on and the disc is just rubbing against the brake pad. Just rubbing. So I went to go try and fix it with my tool I have, but I didn't have the right tool. So I had to go to this Riley's Auto Parts and get this thing. But I'm not going to fix it right now because as much as I trust myself, I also don't want to screw it up and not be able to bike. I can still bike now, I can still hold a decent speed, but it's just a bit of a grind. I've been doing it the past few days, so I know I can do it again today, but I'll try and fix it when I get to where I'm going. So it's gonna be like 100K riding like that again, but good gracious. Pouring rain. Miserable, man. Just miserable. Nothing's working. My phone's like broken. It's just soaking wet. Oh man. Man, that was, I'm gonna say it, my least favorite day of the trip. Oh my gosh. So tough. I had to deal with that disc brake rubbing against the pads all day. I tried to fix it, but didn't make a difference. So I'm hoping that's a problem and I can fix it tonight. Otherwise, I don't know. I don't know what the problem is. So, but I tell you, to put in perspective, that ride took me just about 7 hours. So went like 106 kilometers in 7 hours. And then another example, like the day I went 160 when I came into Colorado. Pretty even harder terrain, if that. And I went 160 in less than 8 hours. So it's just like dragging an anchor the whole way. It's just brutal. But and then I got rained on, and oh man, I was on that little single track path the whole day until I just said enough's enough, and I got on the interstate and I played my luck. So didn't get stopped. Made like 10 kilometers up. Didn't have to do that last little bit, but it's dark out, wet. Oh man, I'm just starving and tired, so I'm gonna go. Thanks for watching, I appreciate it, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye now. Keep your nuts a bed.